Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian D. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, July 26, 2025. Ngayong araw po ating tutunan ng series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about perseverance of the saints. So, dangerous ba ang once saved, always saved? Now, para po sa araw na ito, ang talata po natin magkagaling sa John chapter 10 verses 27 to 29. Sabi po rito, basahin ko po. My sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. I give them eternal life, and they will never perish, and no one will snatch them out of my hand. My Father, who has given them to me, is greater than all, and no one is able to snatch them out of the Father's hand. Na upang ating mas malawan kung ibig sabihin ng talatang ito, at upang mas maintindihan natin ating devotion, ngayon po tayo padadako sa ating mga teachings for today. Una po, God is the keeper of our salvation. So, we are not the one that holds on to God. Siya po ang nag-control sa atin. He holds on to us. So, yung salvation po natin, it doesn't depend on how strong we are. Rather, it depends on how faithful He is. Ikalawa po, God's love and grace secure us forever. So, hindi po yung own works natin yung nagdadepend kung tayo ba ay maligtas. Ito po ay through God's love and grace. So, once na naligtas na po tayo, He won't let us go. He will keep us safe and secure with Him forever. Ikatlo po, God preserves us so that we may persevere. Ang Diyos po, binibigyan niyo po tayo ng lakas to keep going. For example, merong mga dumating na challenges sa buhay natin. That's normal, talagang dumadating yan. But with God, we can assure that everything will be work. It will work. Kasi alam natin ang Diyos is nasa atin. We have faith until the very end. Ngayon po tayo padadako sa ating application. So ito po yung mga dapat natin gawin after natin malaman ang ating devotion. So ito po, persevere in faith as you are being persevered. So even if nanginina ka, feeling mo nagpagod ka, still keep trusting Jesus Christ. Kasi God is the one who's making you not give up. You are not running this race alone. Meron kang kasama at yun ang Diyos. Ikalawa po, prove your conversion by genuine transformation. So if you are truly saved, dapat magkita yan sa buhay mo. Not by being perfect, but sa totoong pagbabago. Wherein yung puso mo is sinusunod mo si Kristo, minamahal mo siya, and nag-grow ka together with Christ. And last but not least po, preach the gospel that glorifies the grace of God. So we tell others about this kind of love, wherein ang grace na hindi tayo liligtas, wherein we are secure. So you share the gospel that